Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel GIS and RS Depot. Now I am going to show how you can easily download any false color composite images by using satellite imagery from Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so now I am going to show on my Google Earth Engine code editor. Already you see my Google Earth Engine code editor interface. Then first of all, I import my specific study area from my asset tab. So here you see the lots of asset tab. So first of all, we import our specific study area of study area. So you can use your any study area of your specific work. Okay. So first of all, we click to the import automatically open in our code editor. Then we change this the default variable name of study area shape file. We select here the study area. Okay. Then now I am show this study area in our map interactive view. So that's for that. So first of all, we use here map map.add layer function. Map.add layer function. Okay. Map.add layer function in our code editor. Our object here, you see object name is our study area. Already I said it. So I paste here simply and remove rest part. Then click to the run. When we click to the run, you see here the one layer is open. Okay, by we did not see it. Then we use here the map.center object for center focusing of our study area. So now our object our study area. So that's why we put here the study area. Zoom levels we select here the 8. Then less important thing we simply remove, then click to the run. So when we click to the run, what is the problem? We did not see our study area. Wait a minute. Okay, as it is error, that's why we did not see it. So we delete from our study uh, code editor and then we put again. What is the problem? Okay, so now I put in code editor. Now we open our right some for networking issue. We Google Earth code editor cannot download this shape file. So okay, so now we put here this same study area variable name of study area. So okay, so now already you see on now click the run. So now you can easily see this study area in your map interactive view of Google Earth Engine platform. So now we put here the our satellite data set. Okay, image satellite images. So I am interested to work with Landsat satellite imagery. That's why we go to the browse data catalog of Google Earth Engine platform. Then we go to I go to the Landsat. So I now I load this Landsat 8 dataset. So Landsat 8 and Landsat 8 top atmospheric reflectance data set I use. Okay, so that's why I click to the top atmospheric reflectance and copy this Google Earth Engine snippet. Simply copy and paste in my code editor. and again we take a variable and set the variable name is and Landsat images. Okay, so now I filter for my specific area, specific time frame. That's why I put here the time frame. Okay, study time. First of all we call this satellite imagery data set. Then we use the now I use the filter bounds function. That's why we attached our study area, our filter bounds function. Okay, this filter bounds function, sorry. Okay, okay, geometry already we know our study area. Simply copy this study area name and paste here. Then we use here the uh, filter metadata. Filter metadata is we select here the our satellite data set supplied image property cloud cover. We filter less than very less haze particle images or less cloud particle images. That's why we put here this cloud cover image properties name. Okay, now we filter less than 10% or 1% images. That's why we said if the operator handle is less than, then value we use as the 10. And now check how many images available less than 1% for my study area. So now we easily use at the print function and print this study area. Simply copy and paste here. Now click to the run. Operator less than, okay, less than, okay. Now click to the run. So we see here the in our console tab image collection. So now we if you want I want to check how many images available, so that's why we use a size function for show as a round figure number. Okay, so a 71 images available in my study area, cloud cover less than 1%. So it's enough for me. So that's why we filter my specific time frame is filter date function. Okay, start date, my study area time is year of 2020. Okay, I want to download year of 2020 false color band composite images. That's why I select here the year of 2020 1st January. To time frame we select here the year of 2020 31 December. Okay, now we again we check how many images available within my study area time frame. Okay, already we select filter metadata function and then we select the 71 images available. Now I want to check how many images available by in my specific study time frame. So when you click to the run, we see here the number of images. So wait a minute. Okay, we 5 images available in my study area. So now these 5 images, uh, okay, if you I when I increase this metadata less than 10%, we 18 images. Hopefully less than 1%, 5 images um, enough for me. So that's why I put here the less than 1% cloud pixel percent or cloud cover. So now, okay, okay, now we see in our map layer. In these filtered images, I want to see in our map layer. That's why we put here. Okay, so now we click to the run. Now we check. Okay, here this is the 5 tiles images available. Now I want to make the median composite image as a one tiles median composite images. Make a median composite image for better analysis. So we saw the median function in code editor. Then we uh, okay, now size function remove, because after when a median function use the one only this 5 images make a one tiles of images, one tiles of median composite images. That's why we cannot use size function. So now we easily see the median composite one images ready for ready in our Google Earth Engine map view. Okay, now we select only our study area by using clipping function. So clip our study area. Our study area already we put this name study area. So paste here. Now click to the run and check this our only our study area images. So if these 5 images captured my whole study area, so we work. If don't about your study area, you increase this cloud pixel percentage or cloud containing images. So now we see the black color images. Now I am set the band composite for visualization. Suppose I select here the band 5, band 4 and band 3, band 5, band 4 and band 3, custom 100% for looking good, and apply. Okay, so now we see this band combination 5 4 3. So we easily import in our code editor. So now we copy and paste after layer name this visualization parameter. So now we click to the run. So now I am want to here you see the 17 band. That means all of the dataset available band attached in my filtered images. Okay, here you see the all of the band. So now I am want to now I want to filter only false color composite. So I want to export. Now I want to export only this band 5, band 4 and band 3 containing images. Export in our export from Google Earth Engine platform, and um, attached in my uh, synopsis paper. So that's why I download it. So now we see use at the select. Now I am select function. Sorry, select function and select my required false color composite band. So I put here the band 4, band 5. Sorry. Okay, then remove from here. Okay, then I put here the band 4 and band put here the B3, band 3. So here you see this band 5, band 4 and band 3 indicate this top band. Near infrared band is band 5 and band 4 is red band, and green band indicate the B3 in Landsat 8 dataset. So now we click to the run. So already you select only this band combination B5, B4 and B3. Here you see the in images all of the band available attached available. but when you select any specific band, only this band only when we filter this specific band, only this band attached in your filtered images. Okay, so now we click the run. Now I see only only three band available, B5, B4 and B3 in my filtered images. So now easily I export. I am easily exporting these images in from Google Earth Engine platform to my Google Drive. Then we download it and open in my ArcMap application, and then I attached it my synopsis paper for submit my our submit in my university. That's why I use here the export function in Google Earth Engine. Export function. Okay, so export. So the export function, export image to drive function, export dot image to drive. Okay, so lots of the argument show here. So now easily step by step all of the argument we fill up image. Already we filtered our specific time frame images, specific cloud cover containing images, and specific band containing. So now all of the things stored in the variable name study area, simply copy this study area and paste here the image name, simply paste here. Then description, same all of the things, description, then we folder name, file name, prefix, dimension, region, all of the things step by step we fill up and easily export in my Google Drive. Okay, so in next video I will discuss how you can easily make a land cover classification map by using this satellite uh, dataset imagery. Next video I will discuss how you can easily make LULC, land use land cover classification map for your presentation paper or for attached in your research paper or anything. Okay, so thank you, thanks for watching.